What if you could start earning money today using free AI tools? We're revealing the exact business ideas successful entrepreneurs are using right now to generate passive income with zero upfront investment. ChatGPT, Canva AI, and Midjourney free versions are game changers. Use ChatGPT to create content, write copy, and build courses. Canva generates professional graphics for clients. Midjourney's free trial produces AI art for Etsy. These tools require zero investment but deliver premium results clients pay for. Sell AI-generated content on Fiverr and Upwork. Create AI art on Etsy. Build niche blogs with AI writing. Offer social media management using AI tools. Launch digital products like templates and courses. Each requires minimal setup time and can generate consistent income within weeks. Pick one tool, choose one income stream, start creating, post on freelance platforms immediately. Build a portfolio fast, scale what works. Consistency matters more than perfection. Most successful founders earn their first 100 within their first month by taking action immediately and iterating. Automate everything. Hire virtual assistants. Build your own products. Create passive income funnels. Reinvest earnings into paid tools. Document your journey. Build an audience. The entrepreneurs making 10K monthly started exactly where you are, with free tools and determination to execute. Drop a comment below telling us which AI tool you're trying first. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for daily business ideas and AI strategies that actually work.